Hey guys, so my name is Lee and I'm from Mastermind. So today I'll be teaching you guys about algebra. So our objectives for today's lesson is to manipulate direct numbers, use brackets and extra common factors, expand product of algebraic expression including three brackets, and factorize an expression. So let's start with simple algebraic expansion. I'm gonna give like an example here. So if we have a plus b times c plus d. So basically what we have to do first is that we have to remove all the brackets. So what we do is that we should times a times c plus a times d plus b times c plus b times d. So our answer would be ac plus ad plus bc plus bd, which is kind of obvious. And then what we do next is that we have the common like number of A and A here, and we have a common number of B and B here. So what we do here is that we brings out the common number of A, and then if we bring this out, then what we have left is C plus D. Because if you see that if we expand this whole thing, what we are gonna get is AC plus AD, which is same as the previous expansion. And what we do here is that we brings out the common number of B. So what we have left in bracket is gonna be C plus D. So this is the proper expansion of a simple like algebraic like multiplication. And then if we have minus, then what we have is going to be um, a plus b times a c minus d. If we have this kind of like multiplication, then what we do is that we still multiply everything together. But the thing that's very different here is the number of minus d. So what we do is that we expand it, and what we got is AC minus AD, and then plus BC minus BD. Similarly, what we do here is that we brings out the common number of A and B of the two like um, expressions each. So what we got here is that A bracket C minus D plus B bracket C minus D. So this is another expression of the algebraic expression. And then what we have left for the formula can be um, a plus b squared. So what we have here is that it's a plus b times a plus b. And then a simple way to find this out is the formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Because if we multiply everything together, it's going to be a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared. So to simplify it, we combine the 2ab and then we form 2ab. Now let's move on to some exemplars for further understanding. So what we have here is the scale from negative to positive. So if we have a number scale, then what we have here can be negative. So let's have it from -4 to 4. Basically, if we have a positive number with a negative number, and then if we want to plus it, what we do is 1 plus negative 3. So it equals to 1 minus 3 equals to negative 2. But if we have something like 1 minus negative 3, then the minus and the minus together here is going to be 1 plus 3. So what we have is going to be 4. And let's work on some basic examples. So if we have a question asking you to expand the expression of, wait, sorry, of 4a times 2a plus 3b, then what we have here is going to be the expansion of 4a times 2a and then plus 4a times 3b. So if we expanded, we got the answer of 8a squared plus 4 times 3 equals to 12. So 12ab. If you want to further like expand it, you can also like try to bring out the others, but yeah, that's not expansion anymore. And then if we have another number, let's have another example. If we have like 6s times 2s plus 7t minus 2s times 5s minus 2t, then what we have for the expansion is going to be 6s times 2s plus 6s times 7t. And then keep in mind that the minus here is always like brought in into the expansion. So if you have like a negative times negative, it will ultimately be a positive number. And then negative 2s times 5s and negative 2s times 2t. So what we have here is that 2 times 6 equals to 12s squared, because s times s equals to s squared. If it's s times s times s, it's going to be s cubed. Now what we have here is the 6s times 7t is going to be 42st, and then negative 2s times 5s is going to be negative 10s squared, and then negative 2s times negative 2t is going to be positive 4st. So because we have this same number of s squared and s squared and st and st, what we do here is that we combine the coefficient of the same like expression. Then what we got left is going to be 2s squared, sorry, 2s squared plus 46st. Okay, so hope you guys understand about this simple like algebraic expansion and all stuff, and we'll see you next time.